All right, so today we got a one bedroom. Well, we got total of two bedrooms. One of them got some pretty heavy soil in it, but this is for one of my property owners, and he's been using me for quite some time. So what he did was, that's brand new, and we're gonna go on down the hallway. Gonna be cleaning this room here, but see, all my property owners have confidence in me, so he's giving me this challenge and I'm up for it. So here we go. This is the main thing we're going to be tackling today, so stay tuned. So first things first, going to start out with a deep vacuum. The canister has been emptied in this vacuum, so we'll see what comes out of here. Pretty much, this is what I was able to get out of there. So now I'm gonna use Soap Daddy Savage Serum on this one. Definitely gonna need it. I'm gonna put it in my pre-spray and mix it up. So I've already started pre-spraying. So you can see the difference already. That pre-spray is already starting to eat this stuff up. So what I'm gonna do next, I'm going to get my CRB out and do a deep scrub, and then come back with the extraction. But yeah, as you can see, it's already starting to eat that stuff up. I think we're gonna have a good chance of some success with this one. All right, so about to finish this up here and bring the CRB in to get started. Deep scrubbing. All right, so now it's time to get a little deep scrub with the CRB. Starting to show some promise over there. All right. Ready? Coming along pretty good. Alright, so we're going to go on and finish up here with this and come back in with the hot water extraction and steam cleaning. So far this is where we're at with it. So it looks like the pre-treatment and deep scrub has already started working. Time to start the hot water extraction, steam cleaning. Righty. There you have it. It's going to continue to lighten up as it dries too. So that's not the finished product, but But it looks 100% better than it did when I arrived. And in case you was wondering how the other room came out, it came out really good. I had to turn the light off because it's only on one switch, but it did come out really good. That marks the end of another good cleaning. Came out pretty good. I appreciate everybody for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.